Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video I'm going to be telling you why YouTube isn't recommending and suggesting your videos to other people. Let's get into it. At first, if you're a small creator, it's very hard to make YouTube recommend and suggest your content to more people. But it's possible because some of my videos are getting promoted by the YouTube algorithm and they are getting a lot of views to me. And trust me, I did not see that coming. I just made the video as usual and YouTube promoted them. My normal videos views is 30 to 120, but this video seems to be getting a lot of views more than that. Like 1000 views, 700 and something views, and these are very good views for a small creator like me. Right now I got some tips that will help you grow your channel and make YouTube suggest and promote your content right now. The first tip is making engaging video content, because the YouTube algorithm favors channels that can hold viewers' attention for longer. So make sure your videos are very interesting. Speak with confidence, over b-rolls, go straight to the point, use a lot of text, background music, and much more. All this will make people enjoy your videos seriously and they won't quit. So if they don't quit, you get a good viewers retention and YouTube will promote your content. And when it comes to editing, try to make your videos 3 times better. Just try your best when making a video. Secondly, optimize YouTube thumbnails and titles. Make bright thumbnails that will catch people's attention. Use high contrast colors. And when it comes to titles, use the right words in the right spots. Instead of I unboxed iPhone 13 Pro Max, it should be iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing, and the unboxing should be in caps. I mean upper cases. Because unboxing is the main word, so it will catch people's attention. Thirdly, make sure you make a video playlist, because some of your viewers might watch all the videos in the playlist. So if there are 10 videos in the playlist, that viewer will watch all and you get 10 views and a lot of watch time too. Playlist can make your channel grow 2 times faster. And if people like the playlist, it can be promoted by the YouTube algorithm, so you get a lot of viewers and watch time. And you have to know one thing. Your video can be suggested just from the time you uploaded it. It takes 3 months at least for a video to get promoted by YouTube if you are a small creator. And don't make the YouTube algorithm confused by making different types of videos on your channel. It's better if you stick to one video category on your channel. So if you stick to one type of video category on your channel gets promoted faster. And that's all for the video. Work harder and keep creating. Until then, I'll meet you guys on the next one. Peace.